Hey everybody, this is Morgan from Teton Conservation District here to give you a quick demonstration of our Interagency Winter Wildlife Tool. So from the Teton Conservation District website, just go to Programs, Wildlife, scroll down, click on Winter Wildlife Closures, and we've got a web viewer here that you can interact with. Give it a second or two, the data will draw. You can also download the data if you prefer to interact with it in Google Earth. And then there's some additional information about the importance of wildlife closures, what is winter range, as well as some additional information with direct links to the official travel maps for the agencies that we're consolidating the data for. To use the web viewer, my recommendation is to click this button to launch it in full screen mode. It'll open a new tab in your internet browser. Give it a second, everything draws, and you can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel on your mouse. You can also use the plus and minus buttons. To pan around, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. You can click, hold, and drag to interact. You've got zoom out, zoom in functionality up here. You can export a PDF with this button. Down here, this button opens a legend to give you an overview of what the different colors and shapes mean. Click it again to collapse it, and then here you have the ability to turn the layers on and off as you so desire. To get at the information, you just zoom in, find yourself a polygon, and you click within the polygon, and it's going to give you the area name, the appropriate dates, what's open or closed, who the managing agency is, and what species the closure is specifically designed to benefit. You can pan around and get information for different areas. It works the same on these routes right here. There's less information associated with them, but it's just the name of that travel route. If you were accessing this on a phone, you have the ability to click this button right here, and if your GPS is enabled, it's going to put a dot on the map for where you are standing. Some background is that these data come from at least 9 different entities, and we do our best on an annual basis to check for updates and make any edits to this map as appropriate, but we recognize that from year to year sometimes changes get made, and always defer to on-the-ground signage that you may see, or if you have a particular question about access, go directly to that land management agency. So say over here on the west side we can see it's Caribou Targhee. If you're not sure about what's open or what's closed, please reach out to them directly. Otherwise, this is an informational tool that we hope you find valuable and have a great time recreating, and we appreciate you considering wildlife and letting them chill this winter. Thanks.